Chip's got a new toy. Remember how to do it? Put the balls in. Put the ball in. Put it in. Alright, now step on it. Stand back. Stand back. Get ready to hit it. Get ready. Hit it, buddy. Good job. Alright. That's alright. That's alright. Okay, good shot. Alright, try it again. Step on it. Alright, you ready? Get ready. Good shot. I'll leave that there, bud. Step on it. Step on it. There you go. Make this one a good one. Good job. Alright, go get the balls. Put them in here. No, over here. Right here. Right, buddy. Put it right here. Here. Put the ball there. Put that one in there too, okay. Alright, good. Step on it. Stand back. Good shot. No, just step on it again. There you go. Step back, step back, step back. I don't know about that. Alright. Good job, buddy. Hey, good. Step on it one more time. One more time, I want to see it. Step on it. Alright, give me a good hit. Get ready. Get a good hit. Good job. Hey, give me some nuts. Good job, buddy.